Lead generation advice even the pros can use. When you are competing in sales, you must learn all that is possible about lead generation. What you know is what will ensure that you stay ahead of the game. If you want to know it all, then the helpful tips and tricks found below will ensure that you reach your goals. Perfect the art of a good call to action, in order to generate more leads for your business. A good call to action is highly specific, very relevant to the particular readers, and always links to a landing page where the offer can be found for purchase or download. Make your CTA count for more valuable leads. Don't fall victim to the belief that generating leads requires a big budget, because it doesn't. Talking to people over the internet is very economical, and you can be very effective if you know how to do it. Target your audience precisely, perfect the call to action, and make it as easy as possible for people to plug into your offer. Test a small market sample if you are trying to generate leads in a new way or area of consumer spending. While online marketing can be very economical, you don't want to waste a lot of resources on something that's going to go bust. Test a sample, and if it generates a few leads, go for it. Otherwise, simply live and learn and move on. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Talk to business owners in related industries. They may be willing to share leads with you, by sending their customers your way. For example, if you own a shop where you sell balloons, talking to a florist about a joint venture is a great way to get leads from another business. Search engine optimization, while organic, is all about lead generation as well. How? Your targeted customer base is searching niche-specific keywords. If you're targeting the right keywords with all of your sites and content, then you're generating new leads. This does take time, but it's a process that should always be in the works. Now that you have watched this video in full, you should be prepared to attain the success you have dreamed of. Don't procrastinate. Get down to business today, creating a plan to ensure you reach your goals. If you do, you'll realize your potential in no time, boosting your profits towards the stars. Student loan.